Hi, I'm Camille, Pre-Sales Engineer at Effical, and today we are going to talk about SWOOD 2022 updates. As you know, SWOOD is a CAD/CAM software for the woodworking industry from design to manufacturing. Every year, we work hard to offer you the best features. Our portfolio is composed of solutions for design, manufacturing, nesting, automatization, generation of reports for design and manufacturing, as well for wood construction projects.
You can easily find the What's New document in the menu through Tool, SWOOD Design, Help, What's New. Actually, a lot of work has been done on several documents and exercises to make them available for everyone on the free access. So in the What's New file on each feature descriptions, we have a paragraph called Exercise with a link and a download icon that give you access to a small package in which you will be able to try the new features.
If you want to know more about SWOOD and our solutions, do not forget to click on the subscribe button and do not hesitate to contact us on our website swood.effical.com. See you soon!